it's Jody from the Lexington Senior Center, and I'm here today with some fun, easy food ideas for you to use for the 4th of July. With Kentucky opening up, I know that many of us are planning to spend the holiday with family and friends, and even if you're by yourself, it's always fun to have special treats for the holidays. So I have 3 quick and easy ideas for you. The first one is a red, white, and blue salad. So you're going to need some salad greens. The recipe calls for spinach, but you can use anything you like. They were out of spinach when I went to get this, so I just got a box of mixed greens. And there's really no amount. It's just up to you and how big or small you want your salad to be. So you just put a base of greens in. And then for your red, you're going to take watermelon in small cubes and just put that in there. Now, if you don't like watermelon or you want to use something else for the red, you can use strawberries or raspberries or use a mixture. For the white, we are going to use some feta cheese. This is crumbled feta, and you're just going to sprinkle that on top. And then for the blue, we are going to add some blueberries. So again, there's really no measurements. It's just you add as much as you want. If you don't like something, you can leave it out. And that's all there is to it. You have a really pretty red, white, and blue salad. I like to use poppy seed dressing for this salad. This one I got at Walmart. It's really good. It's Brianna brand, so give that a try. And that's your red, white, and blue salad. The next 2 ideas are some little dessert ideas. And we are going to start with, you want a tray or a platter, a rectangular size. And you're going to start with some blueberries and put them in a small bowl up in the corner. And then you're going to take some strawberries. Now I've already cut these into halves and quarters, and you're just going to line them up on the tray. It's a good idea after you cut them to lay them out on paper towel a little bit so that some of the moisture can go out. And then you're going to take these yogurt covered pretzels. And these I got at Walmart also. You can get them at Kroger too, or any of the grocery stores. And you're going to just make some straight lines with them and sort of make an American flag design. So you just alternate your strawberries and your pretzels. You can get chocolate covered too. These are yogurt, white yogurt, vanilla yogurt. And then you just make a couple of lines there. This is a quick and easy dessert. You can serve it with toothpicks and little tongs so they can serve themselves, and you have just a little American flag. And then the last food idea is super simple. This is great for kids and grandkids. And I'm going to get some ice cream sandwiches out of the freezer now. Just a little information here. These are Blue Bunny brand. I got them at Walmart, but you don't want to get this because they don't harden up. They're kind of soft and smushy. And I've had them in 2 different freezers, and they don't harden up. So you don't want to get that brand. So just find another brand of, see, they fall apart. So you don't want Blue Bunny. And all you're going to do is buy some sprinkles. I got these at Hobby Lobby. You can get them at Kroger's, and a lot of times Walmart too. Around the holidays, they'll have holiday specialty items. And you're just going to put those on a little tray. I like to put aluminum foil down because then whatever I don't use I can pour back in the bottle. And all you're going to do is take your ice cream sandwich and dip it in the red, white, and blue sprinkles. This side's kind of messed up, but I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle anyway. And then you'll set them on a tray, cover them up. You don't have to do all 4 sides. This one, I just did the 2 sides. You can see I left the tops open, or you can do all 4 sides. Kids like sprinkles. So those are 3 easy food ideas you can use for the 4th of July. Here at the Senior Center, we hope that you all have a safe, healthy, and happy 4th of July. Give these recipes a try, and until next time, stay healthy and keep cooking. Bye-bye.